everybody. Welcome again to Art at Dawn's House. I've got something to show you again today. Look at this. I've been busy. What is it? Well, if you said it's a butterfly, you'd be quite right. And hopefully, if the weather gets a bit better, we might see lots of butterflies soon. Because soon it's going to be summer, and that's when all the butterflies come out. So let's make a butterfly today. As usual, I'll put the camera down and show you what you need, and then we'll start telling you how to make it. So stay tuned. Here are the things that you need to make your butterfly. You need a piece of paper, just a piece of plain A4 white paper. You'll also need a pair of scissors. These are my sharp scissors, but you can use your round scissors you have at school. You need a pencil. Here's a school pencil. You'll need some crayons. These are wax crayons. I think they're nice because the colours are quite bright. I used my wax crayons for my butterfly, but you could also use coloured pencils. You can use those if you prefer. You also need a ruler. That's handy because we need to measure something. So we need a ruler. And you'll also need one of these. You can get this from the school, so you don't have to buy it. We'll give this to you. It's funny, isn't it? It's like a pipe cleaner, but it's got fluffy bits on it. We'll put that to one side because first we want to concentrate on our butterfly shape. Now, you take your piece of paper, turn it so that it's long, going away from you or towards you, whatever, and then you fold it in half. Try and get the corners exact, as close as possible. Just fold it in half, and then you need to turn it around so that you have the open side on the same side as your favorite hand, the hand that you used to write with. You need to have it on this side. It'll probably work better that way. And then you need your ruler. And now what you do is you take, I'll do it from here, but of course you need to do it from the side that's more comfortable for you. Start at the one. You need to look at your ruler here because there are numbers on it. Look. You see the numbers along there? You might need to get a grown-up to help you. Count to 14. Now, the number 14, I haven't got my glasses on, so it's difficult to see because the light's shining on it, but there is a number 14. It's upside down, so let's turn it around. There is the number 14. And you need to keep that in mind. Just keep an eye on that because that's what you need now. You need to put the top of your ruler. It doesn't have to be exactly 14, just keep it under there a bit. Because here, just put the top of your ruler. It's a little bit more than 14 then, but just at the top of your ruler on the open side. It has to be the open side. Don't use the closed side here, the folded side. No, use the open side and put the top of the ruler onto the top of the paper. Like that. Right at the top. I think we've got that in view. And then you need to find out where that number 14 was. Here, there it is. And with your pencil, just make a dot there. Just a little dot so you can see. Look, that's where the number 14 came to. And there's my little dot. You probably can't even see it. Might have to hold it right up close so you can see the little dot. Okay. Now on the same ruler, you need to have a look at the numbers along here. And see if you can find the number 7. There's a number 7. Get a grown-up to help you if you're not sure, because that's important. You need the number 7. Then you need to find your little dot again. There it is. And just put the ruler underneath the dot. Find the number 7. There it is. And put another dot there. Doesn't matter if it's exactly straight, as long as it's just more or less. And then this is the dot, the one that's kind of in the middle of the, sort of in the middle of the page, that you want to look for, and put your pencil on it. And now you want to find, we'll do the small one first, the little corner here. Just this little corner. And you want to try to make a line that's a little bit curved. Doesn't matter if you do it straight. Doesn't matter either. Just a line. Make a nice line across there. I'll show it to you a bit closer. There is my line. You can see that. And then put the pencil on the dot again, the same dot. And then do the same with this corner here. Just do a little curved line. Doesn't matter if it's straight, it can be a bit wobbly, can be a little bit off, doesn't matter. And just do that line in the same way from the dot to the corner. It's not important if it's a bit wobbly or it's a bit straighter or it's a bit curvier. It doesn't matter, because all butterflies are different and they're all beautiful. So then, there are both the lines on your paper. And then you need your scissors. Mine underneath my crayons. You need your scissors now. And very carefully with both sides of the paper together, remember this is the open side, you want to leave it nice and closed. You want to cut both of them together. Just cut along that line. And if you've made it a bit wobbly, you can even just try and straighten it a bit with the scissors. There we go. You can either turn it around this way. That's a bit more difficult if you do that because all this paper's in the way. I like to try and cut from the outside to the inside. Then you have to be careful that you don't cut over your spot. And there you go. That's the piece you throw away. And then if you open this out, let's put the pencil and scissors away. You can see you have a kind of a, looks almost like a bowl, doesn't it? Or like a little stumpy World Cup. That's our butterfly. This will be the top of the butterfly and this will be the bottom of the butterfly. And I'll show you what I did with the one I was talking about at the beginning. This one. It's on the other way, of course. I've unfolded it so you can see the top of the butterfly and the bottom of the butterfly, because you need to colour your butterfly. All beautiful colours. You don't have to do the same as I've done here. I've done just black and blue with a little bit of white. You can use all your colours. Look, there's lots of beautiful coloured crayons here. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue. There's all the colours of the rainbow here. I think we've got a violet one in there. Isn't there a violet one? Or a purple one? Yeah, here's one. In the corner here, I think. No, it's not there. I haven't got a purple one. We've got brown and black and white. Well, there you go. If you have purple, you can use purple as well. But choose the colours that you like best and just colour your butterfly in your favourite colours. I like butterflies, this blue and black colour. I think they're very beautiful. But you could also do a green butterfly or a green and yellow butterfly. You can choose. Just colour it in nicely all over. Colour it all over. Try not to leave too much white. I've left a little bit of white here, that's okay. Not too much white. And if you really want a beautiful butterfly, you could even colour in the other side. I didn't colour in this side, but I might do it now that the butterfly is open. Or maybe later when we finish doing the video, I'll colour it in. So if you want to, colour in both sides, or you can just colour in one side. That's okay.